Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by adding funds so you can pay instantly. Open Wallet, tap the Apple Cash card and select Add Money, pick an amount and confirm with Face ID or your passcode. Once done, make sure your linked debit card has sufficient funds and that your iPhone is on the latest iOS to avoid compatibility issues. You're doing this because Apple Cash lives in Wallet. Funds here let you send, receive, and pay without pulling from cards each time. Now you'll use the balance to complete purchases. When checking out in store, double-click the side button, select Apple Cash if it isn't chosen automatically, then authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. For in-app or online purchases, pick Apple Pay and confirm Apple Cash as your funding source before approving. Once authorized, the Wallet app updates instantly. Check recent transactions to verify the amount and to track spending. If you want to reserve funds, finish by managing or moving money when you need to. You can transfer Apple Cash to your bank. Tap the card, choose Transfer to Bank, enter an amount, and confirm. Bank verification may be required first. Once done, make sure your default payment preferences are set in Wallet so Apple Cash is used automatically when you want it. If a payment fails, check your internet connection and that your debit card is verified. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account-specific troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.